Okay, so first things first, we are looking into this Pink Friday website. I am so excited that Nicki Minaj launched these nails. I could not wait for her to launch them. I remember when she said it on Twitter, and she dropped a link for you to sign up to be the first to know when the nails dropped. And you know, I signed up, and when I got that notification that the nails dropped, I was on it. And y'all know Nicki gonna always come with it. She don't have only one or two designs. She has multiple designs in multiple lengths and multiple shapes, so you can choose between square, almond, coffin, or stiletto. If you scroll down a little bit more, there's where you sign up to join the pretty gang. You enter your email, phone number, so you can be the first to know on new drops. She does have a few nails that are on pre-order, so if you sign up, you'll be the first to know when they drop. So let's get into her square nails, because y'all know square is my top favorite shape. This design is called On My Tippies, because what Nicki say? High heels on my tippies. Don't say ain't gabbana, that's on my titties. Hey! Nicki got a set that's called On My Tippies, and they come in a pink chrome tip. They also come in a silver chrome tip or a gold chrome tip, and they do range in the sizes between small and XXL. So let's look into what comes with the nail sets. So for On My Tippies, this set is $24.99, and it doesn't matter which size you get, they're all the same price for On My Tippies. So if you get small, medium, large, extra large, 2XL, they're all the same price, which in my opinion, I think the shorter the nails are, the lower the price should be. But hey, this is Nicki Minaj we're talking about, and she did not come to play with us. So we got to have our coins ready. And keep in mind that this is a luxury nail brand. This is not, you know, the nails that we be getting on Shein and Temu. So this is what comes in the sets: 28 nails, nail glue for up to 2 weeks of wear, adhesive tabs, a cuticle stick, alcohol prep pad, a nail file, and a buffer. So they pretty much come with everything that you need to apply the nails, and it also shows you how to apply. Now let's get into this next set. It's called Queen's Ransom, and this is how they look in an XXL length. These are $44.99 for XXL. They are $41.99 for extra large. Large is $39.99. And then medium and small is also $39.99. And these are on pre-order right now. They have not been released yet. But if you sign up to join the Pretty Gang, you'll be the first to know when they drop, and you can grab those up. Now let's take a look into the almond shaped nails. So kicking it off, we have this really cute matte nude set, and all of her matte nails are called Moment for Mattes, which I think is really cute. They come in 4 colors, so black, white, nude, and red. And as you can see, they are $19.99, and that's just the price for the regular matte nails like these. Each nail design comes in every shape. So she also has On My Tippies in the almond shape, and that's when the price goes up to $24.99. So you can also get the On My Tippies in almond shape, and for the almond shape On My Tippies, they come in a size medium and large for $24.99. She also has this really cute design called Pardon My French, and you can get it in pink or in red. It's just a really cute nail design on the tip. And then she also has these plain ones called Crushing It, and they also come in pink and red. Now this set right here is called Crowned, and of course, because Nicki is who? The queen. So these are her crowned nails. They have a lot of really pretty gold chains and gold rhinestones on them. They are in an extra large for $39.99, and they only come in gold. So this one only comes in gold. And this is how the Queen's Ransom nails look in a pink almond shape. So these are also on pre-order like the ones that I mentioned previously. The white ones are the same as these. These are just the pink version of them in an almond shape. And yeah, sign up for Pretty Gang if you want to be the first to cop them when they drop. So now let's get into the coffin shaped nails. So as I was navigating through the website, I did notice that pretty much each of the nail styles come in each nail shape as well. So that was on my tippies in a short coffin shape. And look at these beauties. These are called Majesty in an XL for $39.99. And look how pretty these nails are up against this beautiful chocolate queen's skin. Oh my goodness. So I clicked on them to see if it comes, you know, in a full set of 28 like the On My Tippies does. So I scrolled down a little bit and it says the crown jewels of Pink Friday nails. It only comes with 5 accent nails. So you're only getting 5 nails for $39.99, which I don't agree with that. Why it couldn't be 5 accent nails and then also include 23 other nails that are like plain, so you can get a full 28 nails for $39.99. That would have been the route that I would have went, but you know, this is Nicki Minaj, the queen, we talking about right here. So like I said, we got to step our coins up because the Majesty nails only come with 5 accent nails. She does give you the option to mix and match a set, and if you get both, so say if you paired the Majesty nails with a set of On My Tippies, you can get both of them for $67. Sheesh, Nicki. So if you ain't got your money right, Nicki gonna make sure you step your pockets up if you want these nails. So with that being said, let's get on into the stiletto shaped nails. So Majesty also comes in stiletto, and this is how they look in an extra large, and then this is how they look in XXL. And then she also has Moment for Mattes in stiletto. The large is $19.99. Extra large is $21.99, and 2XL is $24.99 in the Moment for Mattes. And Majesty also comes in red, and oh my goodness, the red is bomb. The pink is bomb too, but I like them better in red. And then you can also get them in silver. So Majesty comes in 3 different colors. On My Tippies looks so cute in this stiletto. That is the gold tip, and then crushing it in red. And then we have this set is called Mogul, and it comes in 3 different colors. So you can get Mogul in black with the gold accents on them, and then it also comes in pink, and this is how the pink nails look with the pink accents on them. Super cute. And then it also comes in gold with gold accents on them. Now Queen's Ransom also comes in a stiletto shape, and this is how they look in pink, which I like the pink Queen's Ransom nails better than I like the white ones. And again, the Queen's Ransom nails in every shape and color are on pre-order right now. They have not dropped yet. The large size stiletto looks cute too in a shorter stiletto. I like that. And then this is how they look in the XXL, which this is a little too long for me, but for the girls that like the XXL nails, these are pop in. This is On My Tippies in the XXL. That's Majesty in an XXL as well. And look at this really cute set. It's called Kawaii. Now I ain't gonna lie, Kawaii is kind of giving Shein, because I did see some nails on Shein that's was kind of similar to Kawaii, but of course Kawaii price a little bit different because this is Nicki. But these are really cute. These are like the junk nails. They call them junk nails because it's like so much on them. And this is how they look in an extra large, and Kawaii also comes in XXL. And I love these nails. They're super cute, and they are $39.99. So if y'all like these nails, make sure you go to pinkfridaynails.com and check out Nicki's nails and see if you like them for yourself. I just wanted to give you guys a quick navigation through the website. I also did order me some Pink Friday nails. I'm not going to say which ones they are just yet, but I did order some. And of course, when I get them in, y'all know the video and the tutorial review is coming. So make sure y'all stay locked in with me. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you have made it to this point of the video, which I am not done yet. I got a couple more things I want to show y'all. This vlog is a little bit different because I'm kind of just showing you guys stuff that I've bought and ordered, which brings us to part 2 of cool that I found on Temu. So I saw this hanger and I immediately thought like, ooh, I can hang my leggings up on this hanger and have them organized and ready to put on. I literally wear leggings every day because y'all know I've been in the gym and working out and stuff, and I wear my leggings and t-shirts every day to work so that when I get off of work, I could just go straight into the gym. So when I saw this hanger, I'm like, this is perfect. I could just have my leggings already hanging on one, t-shirts hanging on the other one. It's like meal prepping, but for outfits. I could prep my outfits for the week. So it's like a hanger and it has a bunch of these clips, and you just fold your leggings or your t-shirt in half, clip them on there, hang them up in your closet. So I went to my room and I pulled out a bunch of leggings so that I can start hanging these bad boys up, because I literally just have them folded in a drawer, and then I'm always just going through the drawer trying to figure out which ones I'm gonna put on for the day when I could just put them on the hanger and have my fit ready. So let's get into it. So I already had all my leggings folded in one half, and then I folded them one more time over, and then you simply just open the clip on the hanger and boom, put them on there just like that. So let me hang up the rest of these leggings. Y'all just sit back and watch how this works. Okay, so I got all my leggings on the hanger, y'all, and this hanger is very sturdy. It was able to hold all of my leggings. I think I have like 8 or 9 leggings on there and 2 t-shirts, and this is how it looks hanging up in my closet. And as y'all can see, the hanger is very sturdy hanging up as well. If you need this hanger in your life, the link is in the description of this video, so make sure you guys check out the description box. Now let's get our nails done. So I went to Dollar Tree a few weeks back, maybe a month or so back, and I got these nails from Dollar Tree along with this nail glue, and I already had this cuticle oil from Dollar Tree from one of my previous Dollar Tree hauls. So we are about to put on our Dollar Tree nails using our Dollar Tree nail products. So I did get 2 packs of these nails because only 12 nails come in the box, and I wanted to make sure I had enough nails and sizes to size both of my hands. So we are applying some Dollar Tree stiletto nails today. They are very pretty and shiny, and for them to have come from the Dollar Tree, the quality is not bad either. Compared to the other Dollar Tree nails, these are very sturdy. They're very, stiff towards the tip and more flexible towards the cuticle. This brand is definitely a better quality than some of the other brands that Dollar Tree carries. So what I'm doing right now is sizing my nails, of course, to make sure that the nails are completely covering my nail bed from sidewall to sidewall. And as you can see, I've ran out of sizes to fit the rest of my fingers, so that's where the second pack of nails came in handy. I sized the rest of my fingers, and this is what the set looks like. I love it. I love the stiletto shape. I love the glossiness of these nails. I went ahead and applied the nails on my right hand first, and now we are working on our left hand. So of course we are going to apply a nice bubble of glue. You want to make sure, as always, that you are applying enough glue. You cannot paint a thin layer of glue and expect your nails to stick and hold. You have to make sure you have a nice bubble of glue. so that when you press down on that nail, that glue will spread up towards the free edge of your nail, and then you just continue pressing and holding for 30 seconds, also making sure you're pressing against your side walls. So we got all the nails on, but I do need to shape the tips a little bit better because, you know, all press-on nails or most press-on nails come with that extra piece on the tip of the nails. So we're going to use our Dollar Tree nail file just to shave off that extra piece and make sure our stilettos are nice and pointy. Now, as you can see, I did not do that aggressively because you don't want to mess up the tips of your nails. So just gently go against the sides of the tips, and then make sure you're kind of angling your file to also get that extra tip from the tips of the nails. So do not do this very aggressively because you don't want to lose the shape of your tips. And if you're not a pro at this, you don't want to have lopsided nail tips, because the more you shave off, you're just going to dig yourself a hole and you're going to mess up the nails. So be gentle. So next, I decided to add some bling to my nails. So I'm going to be using this rhinestone glue that I got a while back from Temu. And I basically just made a line of glue in the shape that I wanted the rhinestones to be lined up in. And I just used a tweezer to place the rhinestones in the glue, and then I grabbed my nail lamp, set it for 60 seconds, and cured those rhinestones on there for 60 seconds. And this is how they look. It came out so cute, but then I was like, I need some rhinestones on one more finger at least, just to even out the set. So then I made a line of glue down the center of my nail, and then I used the tweezers once again to place all the rhinestones in the glue where I wanted them. And then we are also going to cure this finger for 60 seconds as well. And yes, I'm using my large nail lamp. I am not flash curing them because I want that nail glue to be really dry and I don't want my rhinestones to fall off. And this is the finished look of the nails. They came out really cute, and from the looks of these nails, nobody would ever think that they came from Dollar Tree. So if you're trying to give Nicki Minaj Pink Friday nails but you don't have the budget to get those, this is an alternative for you. So the last thing I did was apply some cuticle oil. This is the cuticle oil from Dollar Tree. It is very thick, so a little bit of this oil goes a long way. I didn't have to do a lot of double dipping back in that oil, so this oil will definitely last you a long time, and it's really good and hydrating and will have your cuticles nice and shiny. And this is the finished look of the nails. Drop a comment and let me know how you guys feel about these nails and how you feel about this vlog. Also, make sure you like this video. That helps my channel out a lot. And of course, if you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.